So as you can see, the SSD is not showing here, so we can find the SSD. We need to boot the SSD. So to find SSD, we have to search here computer management. You can see I found it and open it. And when you go to storage setting, the disk management option, you can see we have 4 drives, and along with it we have my drive is 480 GB, so we have 447 GB unallocated drive. So as you can see, the drive is installed and how to disk, and we'll also upload a second part of this video regarding how to install or transfer the system from the hard disk to the SSD. Okay, bye.